In this course, we've gone over the basics of subtitling on EasyTitles. We learned how to set up a subtitling project from scratch, configure it correctly to the source video, and set subtitling guidelines. We saw how to create original subtitles and how to work with existing material. Finally, we went over a few import and export formats and how to deal with specific problems they might present. Still, this is a basic course, so there are a number of features we didn't cover but recommend looking into. You can use the Check Subtitles feature to find a variety of common mistakes, and the Fix Subtitles feature to adjust them automatically. You can use the commands in the Titles menu, like Format, Delete, Raise Lower, Hide and Hide, to edit several subtitles at the same time. You can change the position and appearance of subtitles. You can configure EasyTitles Automatic Recovery, which is enabled by default, to back up your projects however best suits your needs. And you can configure cloud services to sync your application settings and project templates to the cloud, allowing you to work seamlessly between different workstations. For specific information on any of these features, you can check our complete documentation available in the help files. Thanks for watching this course.